I'll show you how you can download the IDM extension for Chrome. Now, the IDM extension for Chrome isn't available on the Chrome Web Store anymore, so we will have to download it manually. First off, you want to go to this media file link I have on my screen right now, and you want to download the .crx file. Now, once there, you want to go to the 3-par icon here, and then on the 3-par icon here, you want to go to extensions here, right? And then on extensions, you want to go to manage extensions. Now, on manage extension here, you can see there's a developer mode option up here. You just want to turn that on. There you go. You can see now it's on, right? Now, once you have it turned on, you want to go to your current ITM CRX file here. You want to minimize the window like this, and then you want to click on that, drag and drop into the folder here, right? Drag and drop like this, and then click on add extensions. And then that's it. You can see the ITM integration module has been installed and you're done. It's as easy as that. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.